to add products on Amazon seller in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add products on your Amazon seller in your mobile device. So first of all, just simply open your Amazon seller official website, or you can also follow these steps in your mobile app, because the process is quite similar. So you can either opt for the web version of your Amazon seller account or your mobile version. The choice is yours. I'm just going to show you the process right here, and you can follow the same process in your mobile device as well as in your web version of the Amazon seller account, because the process is quite similar. So let's just go ahead with this. So first of all, just simply open your Amazon seller account and simply log into your account. Just click on login from the home screen, and after that, as soon as you log into your Amazon seller account, the first option that you will see on the home screen, it says click here to add products. Just simply click on it, and over here you have the option to add products into your Amazon seller account. So first of all, you need to figure out the keyword or the kind of product that you would want to sell in the Amazon seller account. Just simply enter the keywords right here. You can also enter the title, product description, and keywords related to the product that you are selling. And after that, just simply add the product image that you are selling. For example, you are selling book, so just simply get some professional pictures done, clicked for this particular niche or the category that you are selling, and upload pictures accordingly. And after that, just enter the product IDs for the products. It would be different for each and every product. And after that, just simply add the blank form and click on bulk template to enter and add bulk templates right here. And after that, when you done entering all these details, just simply click on submit, and your product will be listed to your Amazon seller account quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to add products on Amazon seller in mobile. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.